Happy weekend, happy Saturday. We're here in Norcross at the Deutsche Klassic. German cars all day. It's amazing. Yeah, I'm getting one of those. Those are awesome. When you see a Porsche motor, you just know. And I'm not here by myself, I'm here with Mr. Robin Bloodworth. Rob, we're looking at Porsches today at the Deutsche Klassic.
Yep.
And look at this beautiful car. Is this your car, sir?
Yes, sir.
I'm VW.
Phil Wagner,
Nice to meet you, Phil. This is Robin, my buddy.
Hi, Robin, nice to meet you.
And I'm a Volkswagen guy, but I'm here at the Deutsche Klassic looking at Porsches and beautiful cars, and I just, this paint job is absolutely stunning.
Thank you very much.
Tell me about your car. How did you get this?
So I had about 15 years ago, I had a friend in the Marine Corps that had this car out in the desert in California, and it wasn't running. It had been out there sitting in the desert for about 25 years.
Oh, wow. Gosh.
So he'd brought it to the East Coast, and it wasn't running, so we picked it up, had a bad old paint job on it. So it's been 15 years of work to restore it back to the original copper metallic. So
this is the original color?
Yes, sir. Yes,
wow.
sir. Copper metallic, L99K.
This, I don't know if it's coming through on camera, but this
I was
is
wondering if that was the original.
gorgeous.
You don't see many like this.
There aren't many. You know, we had just a discussion recently on a forum, 914world.com, about these cars, how many we're making, is this a rare color? And I know of 6 or 7, and then a couple guys chimed in that there's a couple more they've had or whatever. I don't think they even painted 50 of these, and if they did, that means it's 1/10 of 1% of all the 914s.
This is 51, yeah.
Right.
And your car has the skis on top.
Yeah, we got the original ski rack.
We're right on the train tracks in Norcross.
That was quick.
A nice short one, just the locomotive.
Just enough to get people.
Yeah,
so
but we have
you got the ski rack on top.
Yeah,
The tartan seats are great.
Thank you very much. The Elites made the original ski racks for these.
Oh,
so those are the
so cool, man.
mount points that were there. I met a guy online. He was from Austria, Germany. He sourced the ski rack for me from a friend. It was the original one, and we cleaned it up and got new
look at this. Right down to
tie downs made. You know, but it is
on my list of places to go. Austria.
Yes, absolutely, and drive those mountains. But
let's look at the back here, the business end of it.
Is it a 2-liter, sir?
Yes, it is. It's the original 2-liter motor.
Wow.
So it all's number matching, which was nice.
Wow.
So that's the original Maroni sticker and sales receipt.
Man.
Made it through several owners, which is really cool.
Wow,
So,
it's really cool. Yeah, you saved it. It was a goner, and it's back from the dead. It's
yeah, it is a 75, and we did backdate the bumpers because the 75s and 6s had these big ugly rubber bumpers, and those didn't survive very well, and nobody made replacements for them. So
Right.
we went back to the beautiful chrome
Yeah, it's really
with
great.
little custom touches of the 911 Fuchs.
yeah, look
so
at
we
that.
did backdate the Fuchs
Oh,
to
man, the
a
wheels are
911
great,
SC. Thank
yeah.
you.
Wow.
Custom exhaust
And the line of the car is just
thank you very
beautiful.
much. Yeah, they
Just-
did a good job. Cleaned it
Wow.
up. No more rust.
Wow,
you
it's
know,
great.
Typical of these, though.
Can we take a look inside?
Sure. Yeah,
Look
please
at that.
do.
Wow. You're right, Robin. This
Yeah.
interior is just like
It's
what?
gorgeous.
So you had to do that as well.
Yep, we did. Yeah, yep. The seats were done first, and so they have a little fade to them because it's probably been 8 or 9 years since I did the seats. I had to source an original center console because this was a car that was an appearance group car. It was special ordered for the color and also the appearance group, which would have had sway bars and stiffer shocks and springs in the center console and things like that.
Wow, listen
Little
to
things,
that.
so fun stuff. Yeah, it's
That's perfect.
My uncle
Just
had
like
one
new.
way back, not a green, but I remember him saying that the fifth gear at that time was like a big deal. I mean,
yeah,
it
yep.
just made such a
five,
huge difference
5
on the
years
road.
and not
Oh.
4, and there's
Yeah.
the motor.
Man.
Just pretty much that's original D-Jet Bosch injection,
Wow.
tuned to work with the little bit bigger motor. So we're about 125 horsepower
It's
instead
awesome.
of about 80. So, which would have been
Wow, that's
Wow.
that's even more than the 6 had at that
well,
time.
yeah. The
110,
6
I
liter
think.
was a 911T motor that had about 110 horsepower. You're exactly
Yeah.
right.
And so on days like this, you can finally get out, enjoy your car.
Get it out,
right?
run it, and share it, and
Yeah.
run it, and then yeah. So
It's
exactly.
excellent. So here you have this car. I think it's near mint. It's absolutely beautiful. Is there something on your list that something else you want to do to it, or you're like, if I have time, I'm going to get around to this thing, or in the back of your mind, because you're the perfectionist. I know
Yeah,
nothing.
I am a little bit.
So
but
what's
I
on
cleaned
your
up.
list?
There's a few cleanup things. You
Okay.
know, that right now the original torsion bars aren't on here.
I see.
So because there is a weakening of these hinges over time, and they start the hinges start to bend,
I see.
and those new hinges have to go on there. So we'll fix that up. But
Okay.
nobody would know unless I pointed it out.
That's
but,
why I asked you, because I have no idea. I just see
Right.
beautiful, and I'm like, I
Yeah.
love this car so much.
Clean. It's got about 150,000 miles on it, 20,000 since the restoration. It just
Okay.
turned over 20,000 miles, as
Oh,
a matter
cool.
of fact,
Okay.
on the restoration. And the motor rebuilt about 5. So
Wow.
now it's just getting broken in on this motor. So.
Yeah, amazing. Well, thanks for talking to me. I
Thank you
appreciate
very
it.
much.
What-
I appreciate
beautiful,
your time.
beautiful car.
Thank you very much. What's your YouTube channel?
It's called Bug Hugs.
Bug Hugs.
Yeah, because
awesome.
normally we do Volkswagens.
That's
but
awesome.
today
I
we're
grew up.
here-
I love air cools. I grew up on VWs.
Yeah?
My dad had a 63 Carmen Ghia. I learned how to drive and shift in a 71 Super Beetle.
My new best friend, this guy right here.
Super Beetle, and then we had, he had a fastback, he had a square back, we had, those are the cars that were in the
Yeah.
family. He went to the Rabbits later on. I can tell you, just so
German
we
automotive.
just German stuff,
Yeah,
and
just great.
yeah, I wish Dad were still around because he'd love it.
He would love this car. Yeah,
It is a
great job.
beauty.
Awesome. Thanks, man. Thanks so much. Appreciate it.
Thanks.
Yeah. 914 all day. Beautiful cars. Everything is really beautiful here. I'm just looking for a Volkswagen Beetle, though. I haven't found one yet.
Where's the Beetle? There's some over there.
There's
Yeah.
Beetles here?
Yeah, go this
Volkswagen
way.
Village. You didn't go to Volkswagen
There's a whole village of Volkswagens?
That way.
All right, I'm going.
right.
Go!
Dankeschön.
It's
Okay.
literally-
Auf Wiedersehen.
Bitte, baby. just love it so much. Before and after. We didn't even make it to the bugs yet. We've been looking at Porsches and
can take him back in time to my E21. The guy that was just like that one.
Beautiful cars. And we're looking at BMWs and Mercedes, and we're like, what about the Volkswagen? And we're like, oh wait, there's bugs somewhere. Apparently there's a whole village, Robin.
Okay.
We're gonna go.
Oh, I see 'em.
Yeah, we totally see it. All right, we got this now. Okay, we're gonna stay focused.
Yeah. Okay.
This is a bug channel, Robin. This is not a Porsche channel. God.
All right.
All right, we're gonna do it. Something over there.
Oh,
that
that's
car. Yeah.
Oh my God, it is Volkswagen Village over here.
We did the whole. We were all excited the wrong way. All right, here we go. I stepped up that curve and my ankle's just screaming at me.
Oh, I'm sorry, buddy.
It's a thing, but we've come to the place where we've been looking for this whole time. It's not in vain. All right, finally, something I understand no more about. Hot, sweaty cars that are awesome, and you just have to love them to work on. Look at this. Look at this one.
Oh, yep. Oh, I love the pop-ups, don't you?
Yeah. I like the hand in the back. Look at this.
That color. Wow.
Beautiful.
So this is an early one, right, with those taillights?
Yeah, look at the oval window in the back.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so you're 53, 52, 55, 55. Beautiful. Yeah. Takes you back to 55, Robin. Awesome.
When did they start putting the filler caps on the outside on these?
I think in 63, maybe? 60. Oh no, maybe later. That's a good question. Oval all day. Look at that. No worries.
Wow, it's a beauty.
I like this one a lot.
Oh, that's gorgeous. Look at that engine. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Do you happen to know when they started putting the gas filler caps on the outside? What year those came in? I know the old ones, you got to lift the hood up to fill them up.
Come on the side of it.
Yeah. 60s? Oh, 70s. Wow.
Yeah, I think it was 70, 71.
Okay, later than I
Right-
thought.
right in
Yeah,
there?
yeah. Is this one yours? Oh no.
Is this your car, sir?
Yeah,
Oh, I'm VW, and I'd love to chat with you about your car. What's your name?
John Byers.
John, nice to meet you, John.
Hey,
Tell me about your car. How did you get this car?
actually, it was inherited.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
From
It was
your
my mom.
This is your mom's car.
Yep.
My mom
mom's
had a
car.
great car, dude. This is beautiful. I wish my mom had this car.
Well, we had a summer home.
Okay.
So it was only used 2 months out of the year.
Okay.
So it's only got 65,000 miles on it.
Wow.
God.
Wow.
And my dad gave it to my mom
Less than
for her
1,000 a year.
anniversary, 61 anniversary.
Beautiful. So he got it new.
Yeah, brand new.
So this is one family-owned car.
One family-owned car.
John,
So-
this is the unicorn. The whole place. There's a lot of bugs here. I've noticed, but this is a one family-owned
Right. Yep.
61 mom's car.
Yep.
With 1,000 miles per year.
Yeah. It's only got 65,000 miles.
Let's walk
on
to the front, John. Look at these
All right.
lines. It's beautiful. Like it all original. Like everything
Yeah.
hasn't
Pretty
been
much
touched.
original. Yeah.
Wow, man.
It's
This
been
is
repainted,
Okay.
obviously.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
tires are new.
really, really beautiful.
Yeah, and it's got the typical. If you want to look at it, we'll
We're gonna go inside.
inside if you
Yeah,
like.
I'll come around that side.
Love those,
Look at this.
So to
the buttons and
pop
switches.
the front, you just got to pull it here.
Yeah. Okay.
Now something unique about this is a 6-volt.
Yes.
Okay, and it doesn't have a gas gauge, so when you run out of gas, you turn a lever, which is way down in here,
Ah, okay.
and you have an extra 1 gallon, 1 or 2 gallons to get to the gas station.
The reserve part of the tank.
Right,
Yeah.
yeah. And
The
this
Germans,
is-
they think of everything, John.
Yeah.
They got you covered. Okay.
Well, they didn't have gas stations back when this was actually created.
Right.
But the one challenge I have is it's only got regular gas, no ethanol.
Yes.
So to find a gas station is like finding a
Oh,
plug
yeah.
in your electric
Yeah.
car, right? So-
you gotta find. I just
Yeah.
like how the seams all come together so nicely. It's like all
Yeah,
these
that's a
lines.
tough thing to do.
Yeah, because
Especially on a
convertibles.
convertible, it flex.
Yeah, you
know?
get
Yeah.
water on the inside, water on the outside. It's just running all day.
Now it's got the Carmen original
Badge. Yeah.
insignia on here.
Yeah.
So when this guy in '61 decided that he wants to make this more sturdy, so he steeled this so that when you roll, you don't kill yourself.
Yeah, good.
And then the whole body had better structure to it.
I like the not dying part of the car.
Yeah.
That's an important feature. And I think that all cars should have that.
Not
yeah.
that I ever rolled anything.
Yeah, don't
but-
roll it. Yeah.
Yeah,
Can we look at
yeah.
the engine?
What,
Can we look at the engine?
Sure, sure.
This is beautiful. Wow.
Is it 1.3?
I'm not sure on this. I'm still learning.
Yeah.
By the way, I went to ChatGPT
Yeah.
and looked it up.
Good for you.
But
Everybody should.
according to this,
That's
the
okay.
engine is a 1192
Oh, wow.
1.2 liter flat 4 air
It's
cooled,
awesome, man.
34 horsepower.
Look at this.
So when I
Wow.
drove over here, I was actually up to 50.
Oh, were you going downhill?
No, no, I wasn't actually.
Because that's usually how it works.
And it's a 4. Yeah, it's shift, so it's manual.
Yeah.
4 on the floor, and you push it down to
Up.
get it to
Yeah,
reverse.
Yeah. It's cool.
Yeah.
So because it was your mom's car and it was garage capped and you've driven very rarely, you don't have a lot of experience with this car. So it's like a
No.
new car to you almost.
Right.
What an awesome gift
Yeah.
to get inherited.
So what I do is I
Man.
find a guy that loves bugs that's a mechanic.
Yes.
So Freeman Auto over in Canton.
Okay.
He's all German cars, and the guy loves the bugs and,
Yeah.
and stuff. So you get the feedback.
Yeah.
Oh,
you love
good
a bug and
mechanic is-
you love a vert too. Look at
Yeah.
this.
Now put this down.
The W
It'll
deck.
tell you it's a 61 VW on the.
Oh,
on the-
nice. Yeah.
So
It's awesome. Really, really
So
great.
that's it.
Congratulations. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks for talking to me. I really
Hey,
appreciate it, man.
no problem.
Yeah, really
Okay.
fun. Awesome.
It's beauty. I was just curious, you don't know when they started putting the filler caps on the outside of the car, so you didn't have to lift up the hood to put gas in it?
I have no idea.
Oh yeah, I was talking to a guy who
Cars for days, Deutsche Klassic. Got to come down to Norcross. It's amazing. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys next week